So this is our completed project. Its purpose is a seed incubator. I have this handy dandy sliding door here, so it just slides off like that for access. And these plants here have been going since it's like March the 8th of this year, of course. Began from seeds. Although they weren't grown in the incubator, because that means we would have had to finish the project much earlier. If you give these things heat and 16 hours of light, then they're going to grow. Here you'll see the this is the temperature sensor, and this item here is the moisture sensor. You can see live data coming in through a wireless network to give updates of temperature, humidity, whether or not the soil is moist enough, and the state of the heat lamp and the fan in the rear. I'll force the moisture to a not okay state by removing it. And of course it's too dry. When I plug it back in, it's going to change state. The logic in the Arduino is set up to update values to this web server every 5 seconds. Our box here is divided into a control compartment where the low voltage DC equipment is stored, and this is the inlet facility power where 120 branches off for the lamps up top and to hold the DC power supplies for the DC equipment. Here we're using an outlet timer that's set to come on for 16 hours a day to power up the grow lamp, which is just a LED lamp that doesn't produce heat. And over here is the control compartment where the relays live. This relay is for the heat lamp. This is for the fan. I have a fan right back here. It's 12 volts DC. And this is the Arduino Uno that we're using. And here we have penetrations for control signals and penetrations for power to go out to the moisture sensor and the humidity and temperature sensor. The TP link, as you can see, its power's routed over to the power side compartment, and this is the Ethernet cable that plugs into the Ethernet shield. For the purposes of this demonstration, the TP link is set up as a router, so there's a reduced likelihood of problems caused by whatever security protocols are set up at the SELU Wi-Fi network. But in practice, in the real world, at a home, this will be set up as a client, and it'll be accessible to the home network like any other wireless device at a home. We're getting close to the set point for the heat lamp to come on. It's off right now, but it's going to kick on below 80. So the heat lamp is turned on, and I'm going to put this sensor back in. Once this temperature reaches 85, that heat lamp heat lamp is going to turn back off. Up on 85, the lamp is still on, so it should be a few more seconds and it'll trigger off. Alright, there went the relay. You see we busted 85 degrees and the heat lamp, she is off. Testing the fan. I brought the sensor out and I'm going to use my finger to force it on. We're at about 88 degrees. I'll put my finger on it and push it. Okay, I just heard the relay go off, and yeah, the fan's going. I think it's meant to turn off when it reaches below 85. There just went the relay, and the fan's spinning down and it's off.